Hi, thanks again for joining me on another episode of Sealed for Good. Today we're doing a project profile on one of the products in our range that not many people associate with the Gripset brand, but it's becoming more popular with our tiling friends out there. And this one has been done by Lymbouris from Lymbouris Building Services in Melbourne. And you'll see on the screen behind me some images coming up from projects Con's done in both Sandringham and South Yarra, where there was a challenge of using natural stone tiles. And natural stone is a challenge because understanding the moisture absorption and what it can do to natural stone, it can do one of two things. It can either swell the stone or it can discolour it. And as many of you know, the cost of natural stone is very high and you can't afford to have that happen. So there are a number of specialist tile adhesives on the market for natural stone. And in our range we have the Gripset C-Stone. And it's a one component powder with polymer, and it's a fast set high strength adhesive designed for moisture sensitive stone. Polymer modified, it's a white adhesive and it's got rapid set time, but it gives you good working properties, non-slip, non-slump properties as well, and very cost effective for commercial applications. And a lot of times we see this natural stone in commercial grade applications, and an ideal selection for moisture sensitive stone both on wall and floor. And as you can see these images now, they've been used both inside and outside, and so the C-Stone is suitable for natural stone being used in all those types of applications, bathrooms, external wet areas as well. C-Stone, the big advantage of it, why the tilers like it, they don't have to mix a separate additive to it. They've got good work time, which is a complaint with some of the competitor brands on the market that go off too quick, and it allows it to be trafficable after 4 hours. This adhesive meets both the C2, S2 classification, and as I mentioned, good for wall, floor and interior, exterior. And when you see contractors like Lymbouris using the product, you know they're doing the right thing. It's not a cheap product, it's a quality product, but to ensure that it can be used in areas where the natural stone is used either with the Gripset systems or without. And this adhesive, like all of them in our range, is compatible with our wet area membranes and systems. If you want to know more information about the Gripset C-Stone and the rest of our tile adhesives, we don't create adhesives that just are for everywhere. We create tile adhesives for our membrane systems. That way you've got a full system, a high quality one, for the application that you know is going to be suitable for the wet area and where the membrane's being used in that application. So if you've got any questions or inquiries on that, first point of call is the website. If you need to ask anything about it, please check with our tech services or any of our sales staff. They can help you with it. Mark in Melbourne had taken these photos with Con and was very impressed, and he's always getting calls and questions about this one now all the time on the C-Stone range. So as I said, if you want it, get some of it. We've got it on board now along with our other tile adhesives and the grouts. Questions, Adrian's there for you. See you next time on another episode of Sealed for Good.